Namaskar friends, welcome you in YouTube channel of Learning Crop Science with Avasthi sir. I am Avasthi GB. In the last video lecture we have seen about the seed. Now in this lecture we are going to see about the characters of good seed. It becomes necessary to see the characters of good seed because these seeds are very important for the farmers. They are the first investment of the farmer, as this investment get lost, farmers season get lost. So the farmer should be provided with good seed. Now, what are the characters of good seed? See here, there are two samples. Both samples are of same crop, but one is looking fine, whereas second one is looking rough, which is showing that it get mixed with the same variety of same crop, other variety of the same crop. It means there is genetical impurity in this seed, that is the sample B, and such seed may create adulteration in the final product. So seed should be pure, just like shown in this sample A. It is of same quality, synchronized in nature, and it produces synchronized plants with same quality yield. So it is concluded that seed should be of genetically pure, which gives a better quality product from the farm. Now secondly, what we are expecting from seed, that it should get germinated. The first step is germination. When seed having high germination percentage, such seed get better price in market. Also it gives maximum better growth of the crop. So seed germination can be counted in Petri plate also before the sowing. The sample can be taken in Petri plate and its germination can be counted by putting the replications of 100 each. When seed germination is above 95%, the seed is called as excellent seed and it is used for sowing. After that, it should be dry and not moldy. The seed which is going to mold during sowing, by pressing under the fingers, such seed is immature seed. It does not get germinated and it may cause loss of farmer. So during the time of sowing, it should be dry. Dryness is related with seed moisture content, and while sowing, the moisture content of seed should be below 13%, and such seed is good for sowing. After that, it should be free from the admixture. The admixture like other crop seed, weed seed, other variety seed, or inert matter. This admixture may deteriorate the quality of plants and makes difficult to the farmer to other operations like weeding, etc. etc. So while sowing, clean seed without any admixture should be selected. Here the seed B is get admixtured by other crop seed. Such seed is not selected for sowing, whereas in sample A, seed is clean, there is no any admixture in it. Such seed is referred as good seed and it is used for sowing. See here, impurities of such weed seed, crop seed, other crop seed and other variety seed should be up to 2% into any seed. Beyond that, the seed is considered as impure seed. Now next, the seed which get affected by the insects or pests or diseases. They damage to the seed by feeding its endosperm, embryo, etc. Such seed and its quality get deteriorated and it is unable to germinate a healthy plant. So, the seed should be free from pest and disease bearing organisms. Now, next, it should be bold and intact. While sowing, its all the parts should be intact. Such seed is referred as bold seed. It should not get damaged, or its embryo should not also get damaged. So, the seed intact or bold in nature is also referred as good seed and it is used for sowing. And lastly, seed should be viable. What is meant by viable? Its liveness. Here in our crop science, seed is considered as a live part. Its embryo is a live part because it develops a new plant by the process of germination, and when it gets roasted or converted into dal or get salted or get heated, the embryo get damaged or killed. Such seed is referred as a dead seed and it is used only for consumption, not for sowing, because its embryo get killed and such seed is referred as dead seed. So, seed embryo should be live in nature and which is referred as viability of seed. Viability of seed should be up to 98% and such seed is referred as excellent seed and used for sowing. Now, by seeing all these examples, we can enlist the characters of good seed as like this. That is, it should be genetically pure and true to its type. It should have high germination percentage. It should dry and not moldy. It should be free from other crop seeds, weed seeds and inert matter. It should be free from pest and disease organisms. It should be bold and not injured. And it should be viable. The question in exam is asked, enlist the different characters of good seed. We can mention all these characters for 2 marks. So, it was about the characters of good seed. Now, in the next video lecture, we are going to see the next part of this chapter seed, that is multiplication process of the seed. Thank you. Please subscribe and share the video.